Hello friend, today I am going to show you my mono, you can see my mono microphone, or you can say the settings for mono microphone and OBS setting for this microphone. So you can see in the standard one the gain is 77, headphone volume 100%, tone you can keep deep, original, natural, whatever want. I have keep it deep, okay. RGB if you want to keep it off you can keep it off. Brightness adjustment is not important, okay, so you have to follow this one. Now when you go to advanced one you can see gain 77, headphone volume 100, and this EQ I have selected the third one. So right now I have selected the third one. Now let's complete this one and then go to OBS. In OBS I will show you my mic setting. So go to the filters. I have add gain filters up to 10.30 dB. VST2X plugin. You can see this plugin. Okay, I am using Marvel GEQ plugin. Then noise suppression and then noise gate. So you can see the value of noise gate, and you have to keep it as it is. And this is my latest setting for my mono mic. Okay, and if you like this video, if you like this configuration, you can try this configuration with your OBS setting and mono mic. Thank you for watching.